Dear students, welcome back to our video tutorial on TV. It is Suresh Aryal from Daisy Secondary School. I am going to discuss about today that simple source equation. In the previous class, in the previous video, I already discussed about the equation. Equation is the mathematical sentence using equal operation. Now today, what definition of source that related to that source equation? That the exponential equation with exponent form. Today source equation with radical sign. Source means with radical sign. With the variable. Here 2x equal to 5, this is an equation. X equal to 5 by 2, this is the value of x. Actually I am going to solve that one. How we solve that numerical? We have here x is unknown variable with radical sign. So that type's equation is called short equation, simple short equation. Dear students, let's take one example here. Root under x equal to 5. This is an equation, but here with radical sign. So this equation is called short equation. How we solve value of x? How we solve this equation? How we find the value of x? How we calculate the value of x? For that, here the order of the source is 2. When you find the value of x, that is squaring on both sides to cut this radical sign. We should give the power 2 on both sides of this equation of this source. Here root under x square equal to 5 square. Why we put here 2? Because the order of the source is 2, so power 2 here. If here cube root under x equal to 2, here order of the source is 3, so we should give the power both sides of this equation is 3. The value of x equal to 2, that 3 times that 8 is the root of this value of this x, or value of x equal to 8. For this one most important axiom. X root under x equal to 8. How we find value of x? How we calculate this that equation? How we solve this equation? Here the order of the source is n. We should give n power the both sides this equation. X power n equal to a power n. Now x power 1 by n. This order, when it changes into exponent form, it's reciprocal form. So x power 1 by n, power n equal to a power n. There starts. You source को order जला हामी क्रम भन्छौं, क्रममा n छ. यो रेडिकल साइनलाई हामीले रिमुभ गर्नु छ. यो भेरिएबल फर्मबाट यो रेडिकल साइनलाई रिमुभ गर्नको लागि हामीले यसको पावर order जति छ त्यति नै पावर मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ. Order of the source is n, so we should give the power on both sides of this equation is n. Dear students, अब x को भ्यालु x भेरिएबल फर्ममा छ. x आफैमा एउटा सल्भ राशि जसको भ्यालु कति हुन्छ भनेर फाइन्ड आउट गर्न हामीले यिनै एक्जियोमहरुलाई युज गरेर हामीले त्यो सल्भ गर्न सक्ने कन्डिसन. Dear students, value of x equal to कुनै भ्यालुहरु यसका भ्यालु आउँछन्. After solve that equation we get the value of x. That value is perfect root or extraneous root. There are two roots, either extraneous root or perfect root or extraneous and perfect root. For example, if the value of x equal to 1, when we put the value of x equal to 1 in equation, in the original condition or in original equation, if the RHS and LHS part are different to each other, that is false. In that case, that is root but not perfect root, that is the extraneous root. कुनै पनि भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेपछि त्यो भ्यालु लगेर कन्डिसन इक्वेसनमा लगेर क्वेसनमा लगेर हामीले भ्यालु पुट गर्दा त्यसको LHS र RHS दुवै साइडका दायाँतर्फ र बायाँतर्फ दुवै तर्फका भ्यालुहरु यदि इक्वल आएन भने त्यो आफैमा एउटा असत्य हुन्छ, अनस्याटिस्फाइड हुन्छ. जब त्यो फल्स हुन्छ भने त्यसलाई हामीले पर्फेक्ट रुट भन्दैनौं. रुट भन्छौं तर त्यसलाई पर्फेक्ट रुट भन्दैनौं. द्याट इज एक्सट्रेनियस रुट हुन्छ त्यो. यदि x को भ्यालु 1 राख इक्वेसनमा लगेर राख्दा त्यसले चाहिँ LHS र RHS आफ्टर द ट्रू इक्वल सटिस्फाइड गर्छ भने that root is called perfect root. भ्यालु सटिस्फाइड गर्यो त्यसलाई पर्फेक्ट रुट भन्छौँ. त्यो भ्यालु लगेर इक्वेसनमा हामीले पुट गर्दाखेरि यदि त्यो भ्यालु इक्वल आइदिएन त्यतिखेर हाम्रो LHS र RHS पार्ट इक्वल भइदिएन भने that not perfect root, that is extraneous root. Dear students, यसको अर्थ कुनै पनि इक्वेसन हाम्रो रेडिकल फर्ममा आइदियो भने त्यसलाई हामीले सर्ट इक्वेसन डिफाइन गर्छौँ. यहाँ x = 5 थियो, यसमा 2x = 5 इज ओन्ली इक्वेसन. त्यसलाई हामीले इक्वेसन लिनियर इक्वेसन फर्स्ट डिग्री इक्वेसन भन्छौँ. तर यसैमा विथ रेडिकल साइन, यदि रेडिकल साइन फर्ममा आइदियो भने दिस वान इज सिम्पल सर्ट इक्वेसन. त्यसलाई हामीले सर्ट इक्वेसनै हो तर यसलाई हामीले सर्ट इक्वेसन भनेर डिफाइन गर्छौँ. यसको भ्यालु निकाल्नलाई यसको अर्डरमा डिपेन्ड हुन्छ. यसको अर्डर जति छ त्यति नै पावरको रूपमा हामीले दुवै साइडमा मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौँ र त्यो रेडिकललाई हामीले रिमुभ गर्छौँ त्यो भेरिएबल फर्मबाट. Okay, dear students, now I am going to solve this numerical. How we solve this equation? We can use this axiom. Here the order of first sort is 2, similarly 2, similarly 2. What's the order of that radical? What order of that source? We can put the power. Okay, dear students, I am going to do this numerical. How we find the value of x or how we find the root of that equation. The equation with radical sign. So this equation is called that sort equations. Now I am going to do that numerical. Let's do the first question. 1 equal to root under question number 1. Root under x plus 5 equal to 3. This is an equation with radical sign. So this equation is called Schwarz equation. How we find the value of x? X value कसरी find out गर्ने? Let's go the first. Remember what the order of the sums. Here nothing, that means 2. 2 is the order of the sums. In that case we can square on both sides of that equation. Yes. Now of the equation we get root under x plus 5 equal to 3. Order of the source is 2, so squaring on both sides of the equation. Now square eliminate is remove the radical sign. Now x plus 5 equal to 3 square 9, or x equal to 9 minus 5, therefore the value of x equal to 9 minus 5, 4. This one is correct or not? This one is the perfect root or not? If satisfied this value in that equation, that is only this value is the perfect root of that equation, or this one is the requested value of x, otherwise this one is extraneous root. Putting the value, substituting value of x equal to 4 in original equation, we get root under x plus 5 equal to 3. Now put the value of x equal to 4. Root under 4 plus 5 equal to 3. Now root under 9 equal to 3. Root under 9 is 3 square equal to 3. 3 equal to 3. This is true. Here LHS and RHS part are equal same. So by this values of x satisfy that equation. Therefore the values of x equal to 4. The requested value of x equal to 3. This one is the solution. Therefore the value of x equal to 4. This is the solution. In that equation the value of x equal to 4. Questions once more here. Root under x plus 5 equal to 3. Squaring. Why we squaring both sides? Because the order of this radical sign is source is 2. So Squaring on both sides of the equation, here square eliminate its root, its radical sign, or remove the radical sign of these variables. Therefore, the x plus 5 equal to 9, x equal to 9 minus 5, therefore value of x equal to 4. यो x को value 4 चाहिँ करेक्ट छ कि छैन, यसले satisfied गर्छ कि गर्दैन, त्यसको अर्थ सबभन्दा पहिला x को value 4 चाहिँ इक्वेसनमा लगेर भ्यालु पुट गर्ने। x को भ्यालु पुट गर्दाखेरि यदि LHS र RHS इक्वल आयो, यसमा LHS र RHS इक्वल आउनु भनेको यो आफैमा एउटा ट्रु हुन्छ। त्यसकारणले गर्दा value of x equal to 4 नै यसको the final solution हुन्छ। This is the perfect root of this equation. यसलाई हामीले perfect root भन्छौँ। यदि x को भ्यालु कुनै भ्यालु इक्वेसनमा राख्दा यदि त्यसले satisfy नगरेको LHS र RHS इक्वल लागेको भएदेखि त्यसलाई हामीले perfect root भनेर डिफाइन गर्छौँ, त्यसलाई हामीले extraneous root भनेर डिफाइन गर्छौँ। Now I am going to do that. Next equation, second question. Question number 2. Root under x minus 1 equal to minus 1. Remember, what's the order of the source? Here is nothing, that means 2. Order of the source is 2. So here also is squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, raising to the power 3 on both sides, raising to the power 4 on both sides, depend on what? It's order of it. So there stands now yos be yos, this one means squaring on both sides. Root under x minus 1 whole square equal to minus 1 square. The square got this root x minus 1 equal to 1, x equal to 1 plus 1, therefore the value of x equal to 2. This one is solution is correct under, this one is perfect root or extraneous root. Before put in that equation we can't say this one is perfect or extraneous. So first of all put the value of x in the original condition. Substituting the value or substituting x equal to 2 in the original equation. Root under x minus 1 equal to minus 1. Now put the value of x equal to 2. Root under 2 minus 1 equal to minus 1 because x equal to 2. Root under 1 equal to minus 1, 1 equal to minus 1. This is false. So this root x equal to 2 is the extraneous root. X equal to 2 is the extraneous root of that one. So the equation does not have any solution. Instance. If the value of x equal to 2, by calculation by solving we get the value of x equal to 2. This 2 is the perfect solution or extraneous solution. Before that put the value of x equal to 2 in that original condition, that equation. If we get the value of, if we get the result on both sides are same, that is only that is the perfect root, otherwise that is the extraneous root. Here put value of x equal to 2 in that condition, in that original, that equation, then we get 1 equal to minus 1. जब x को value 2 चाहिँ त्यो इक्वेसन मा लागेर हामीले पुट गर्दा सब्स्टिट्युट गर्दा त्यसमा LHS र RHS पार्ट हाम्रो डिफरेन्ट आयो। डिफरेन्ट आउनु भनेको आफैमा यो त्यो त असत्य दललाई हामीले पक्ष भन्छौँ। यतिखेर यो इक्वेसनको कुनै पनि सोलुसन भ्यालुहरु हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सकेनौं। So the equation does not have any solution. That means this 2 is what? Perfect or extraneous? This is 2 is the extraneous root. यो 2 चाहिँ आफैमा एउटा extraneous root हुन्छ किन x को भ्यालु 2 इक्वेसनमा लगेर सब्स्टिट्युट गर्दा यो दुबै LHS र RHS पार्ट पर्फेक्ट इक्वल आएन त्यसै कारणले गर्दा यसलाई हामीले extraneous root भनेर डिफाइन गर्यौं यसको कुनै पनि भ्यालु छैन कुनै पनि यसको हाम्रो पर्फेक्ट रुटहरु फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सकिएन त्यसकारणले यो इक्वेसनको सल्युसन आफै फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सकिन्न यसलाई हामीले extraneous root भनेर डिफाइन गर्छौं यो पर्फेक्ट रुट हुँदैन डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स Now, third question, how we find the value of x. That question number 3, root under x plus 4 equal to x minus 2. How we find the value of x? As right hand side have a binomial term and left hand side with radical sign. So this equation is called Suresh equation. How we calculate and how we solving this numerical. For that, the order of the sorts is 2, so squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides of the equation. Root under x plus 4 whole square equal to x minus 2 whole square, or x plus 4 equal to, now this expand in formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Students, that a means x and b means 2. A square, that x square minus 2ab plus b square, or x plus 4 equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Like this in quadratic form, x square minus 4x plus 4. For that, find value of x by using that factorization method, first into last method. 0 equal to x square minus 4x, this x get another side, minus x plus 4, this 4 at another side, minus 4. Now back left hand side only at 0. Or x square minus 4x minus x minus 5x, this two cut equal to 0. This one is the quadratic form, so we get the value of x equal to two values here, x take common, now x minus 5 equal to 0. Value of x equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Either x equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Both are the solution of these equations or not. Both are the root of this equation or not. Both are the root of this equation, but both are complete roots or not. When we put the value of x equal to 0 and 5, but both values satisfy that equation, that case only we can say these two values are perfect roots. So first, now substitute to value x equal to 0 in equation in the original equation. Now root under x plus 4 equal to x minus 2, root under x means 0 plus 4 equal to 0 minus 2, that root under 4 equal to minus 2, the root of 4 equal to, can write 2 equal to minus 2. Here LHS and RHS are different is here 2 and minus 2. x को value हामीले 0 substitute equation मा substitute गर्दा यसको LHS part र RHS part मा different आयो त्यसको अर्थ यसले यसलाई value मा satisfied गरेन. Here students, this is false. This is false. So value of x equal to 0 is not perfect root. This is the extraneous root. यदि x को value 0 राख्दा x को value 0 राख्दा यदि LHS र RHS part सेम वा इक्वल आएको भए यसलाई हामीले चाहिँ perfect root भनेर डिफाइन गर्थ्यौं. इक्वल आएको कारणले हामीले extraneous root भनेर डिफाइन गर्यौं. Similarly, substituting the value or x equal to 5 in original equation. Root under x plus 4. X plus 4 equal to x minus 2. Now put value of x equal to 5. Here the value of x equal to first time 0, second one 5. X equal to 5. Now root under 5 plus 4 equal to 5 minus 2. Root under 9 equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore root under 9 means 3 equal to 3. This is true. When you put the value of x equal to 5 in that original condition or that equation, then we get LHS and RHS as same. That means the value of x, this root is the perfect root of that equation. 0 is the extraneous root of that equation because this condition is false. So this value of this root is extraneous root. When you put the value of x equal to 5 in that condition, in that equation, then we get the LHS and RHS part are same. That is true. Therefore, the requested value, the required value of x is 5. Now the solution of this equation is only 5. This is not perfect solution. Perfect solution is only 5. This one is the extraneous solution or extraneous root. So dear students, this video mostly important for you who want to improving your calculation power or solving power. So watch this video. If you are confused this question, you can do another model question from your textbook with this video. Dear students, okay, thank you.